How's it? Up the grid down under, southwest Western Australia. I hope your day's going well. I've done day 6 today, so we're up to day 6. I'm just watching the trees grow and looking at a bit of a sunset here. Chooks are still down there, still out and awake. Not sure if you can see it down there, but I changed the bucket to the forks on Nigel. You get some more firewood. Well, day 6 of I think I need a new belt. My belt's getting a bit big. I worked my way down to the last hole on my belt, and I might need another belt. So if you ever weight challenged or whatever, have a crack at eating that less. They sort of tell you to eat more and then exercise more. Well, my theory is eat less and exercise more. Unless you're doing 8 hours exercise a day, you know, you probably eat a couple of meals a day. And just further on with what you believe, the video, well, yesterday was it, or the other day, about believers and knowing. I just noticed the Google feed, you know, they feeding you. They're feeding you whatever they feed you, your Google feed. Isn't that a lovely term? I'm being fed. So what Google fed me, right, was a study, another study. I forget where it was. I don't pay too much attention. But you know how everyone's on this thing about hydration, and you got to walk around with a fucking water bottle everywhere you go. I drink a fair bit of water, mainly in the mornings when I'm not eating. I don't drink, you know, in the afternoon, stop about 4 or 5 o'clock, and then you don't have to get up at night. But the study, right, back to the study, they reckon that, you know, there's a few liquids that hydrate you. Water to me, that's it. But they reckon milk's better for hydrating you than water. Yeah, what a great study. I wonder why they study that. Anyway, leading from milk being a great hydration, yeah, myself, regarding milk, back in the day it used to come in the milk bottles, you know. The milkman used to run around in the morning delivering the milk to everyone's house, you know. I don't know if anyone remembers those days, but, and you know, it had cream on the top, and, you know, I used to drink a lot of milk, fair bit of milk, until I turned 15. I think I read a book, an alternative sort of book, I think it was called Surviving the 21st Century or something, back in the 70s, and it gave milk a pretty bad rap. So when I was about 15, I've given up milk. I haven't had milk unless, you know, I've had a bit in the coffees and that, you know, the flat whites and the cappuccinos where they boil up the milk and stick it in your coffee. When I was drinking coffee, I had a bit there, but, you know, sculling down a big glass full of milk, I haven't done that since I was 15. Yeah, I'm not sure if it is the best thing for you, but up to you, whatever works for you. Yeah, it's, but I'd say the modern milk, you know, they used to have all the dairy farms and that, but the modern milk, you know, I'll tell you, you know, it's all, didn't they used to dry it out and then reconstitute it and then put it in them plastic bottles and you get milk? You know, it wouldn't surprise me, you know, with the fake meat and all that, the lab created meat, whether that milk today is created in a lab and it actually isn't a dried milk reconstituted, wouldn't surprise me at all. It looks a bit watery and that. Might be just white and tastes like milk, but not really milk. The milk you're having when you're not having milk. Anyway, that's enough of milk. Yeah, so another study. You watch these studies, there's always a study. And as I said about the coffee, there's one, you know, one day saying coffee's great for you, another day saying coffee's no good for you. Yeah, coffee's a horrible fucking drug. I gave it up about 9 years ago. Yeah, I don't think I'll have coffee again. My main concern with coffee and why I gave it up, I've given it up a couple of times, and the withdrawals from coffee can be horrendous if you're up to four cups a day or whatever. I've been through that a couple of times, so what me thinking was to give it up was, you know, what if I can't get any coffee? I have to go through that horrendous pain for about 3 or 4 days or a week. You know, it's horrible. But there's a lot of coffee shops and that around. Yeah, I don't think there's any shortage of coffee, although they reckon the coffee's gone up a bit. Another thing dripping out your wallet, you know what I mean? You talk of the cost of living pressures, and all these little things add up to no money left in your wallet. Live frugally. Yeah, and your body might be better off for it. Who knows? Anyway, day 6 of the fast. The swallows were out here a sec ago, but I can't see them. But, you know, a few different clouds. They reckon no rain today. They reckon there might be a bit of rain tomorrow. Actually 5 to 10 or 10 to 20 mil or something. Let's hope, because I don't reckon there's enough rain. It dries out really quick down there. I was out watering my trees yesterday. Yeah, but I'm basically taking it a little bit easy until my fast gets done. I don't want to overdo it. So, yeah, just a quickie today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, a lot of you are watching and you aren't subscribers. Actually, if you got it this far, you know, I lost 5 subscribers. I'm shattered, man. I'm glad those people, would they be watching something else, or I'd say they'd be watching something else or giving up YouTube, you know? Are you going to give up YouTube? Anyway, catch ya.